Hare Krishna. Seek not to grasp God, seek to be grasped by God. To grasp God means to use our intelligence and to intellectually comprehend Krishna completely. So when we grasp a concept, oh, now I understand what this is. So when we are practicing bhakti and we are trying to get philosophical knowledge, at that time we may feel that, oh, I want to understand who Krishna is, and okay, this is the aspect of this philosophy, that is another aspect of this philosophy, oh, this clicks. So we may be in the mood of grasping, and that is good. At least instead of grasping mundane things, we are trying to grasp spiritual concepts. At the same time, we also have to understand that Krishna is much greater than us, and he is greater than even our intelligence. So therefore we can never grasp him fully, and the purpose of connecting with Krishna is not to grasp him fully, but actually to be grasped by him. So in the Chaturshloki Bhagavad Gita 10.8 to 11, Krishna gives the 4-verse essence of the Gita, and then after that, when Arjuna speaks, he says that, Krishna, I understand your supreme position. Param Brahma Param Dhama Pavitram Paramam Bhavan Purusham Shashvatam Divyam Adidevam Ajam Vibhum Ahustvam Rishaya Sarve Devarshir Naradastata Asito Devalo Vyasa Swayam Chaiva Bravishime. So he says that actually you are the supreme absolute truth, and there is no one like you. You are the primeval supreme being. And he says that you are the one who is revealed by all the sages. Now he moves on, the next verse he says that Sarvametadritam manye yanmam vadisi keshava nahite bhagavan vyaktim vidur devanadhanavaha. So he doesn't want, he says that, Krishna, I cannot know you fully. In fact, even the Devatas, beings far greater than me, can't know you fully. That's 10.14. And then what does he do after that? He says, Krishna, I simply want to relish you. I want to be absorbed in you. I want to be attracted to you. I want to be uplifted by you. In fact, later in the 12th chapter, when the Bhakti section, which is the central 6 chapters of the Gita, comes towards the end, Arjuna's mood is, Krishna, I have accepted you as the supreme. I want to fix your mind on you. And he asks, how can I fix the mind on you? Katham vidyamaham yogim stam sada parichintayan keshu keshu cha bhaveshu chintyosi bhagavan maya. That how can I focus my mind on you? How can I always remember you? Krishna talks about the Vibhuti Yoga chapter, various Vibhutis, various opulences by which we can fix our mind on him. And then in the 12th chapter, in verses 6 and 7, he talks about the fruit that awaits those who fix their mind on him. Tesham aham samudharta mrityu samsara sagarat bhavami nachirat partha maya veshita chetasam. Tesham, for those people who are mai aveshita chetasam, who fix their mind on me, what happens? Aham samudharta, I grasp them and I lift them out of this ocean of material existence. And that, becoming reunited with Krishna in his abode, that is life's ultimate perfection. So we relate with Krishna not to grasp him, but to be grasped by him. Thank you. Hare Krishna.